All right, good morning. I guess I don't have to say good morning. You could be watching this in the afternoon or evening as well. This is going to be going through our homework problems from lesson 2. And you'll notice there are some scribbles already on here. So believe it or not, you have to have the video on in order for it to work very well. So I had to erase and start over. But again, we're all learning. Again, I'd like you to keep track of your homework and their practice problems, guys, so you can stay on top of having notes for warm-ups, quizzes, and tests. And if you do have questions, be sure you're asking during our live stream sessions. Email me, putting them on the discussion board, because others might have the same question. Just make sure you're staying on top of it and asking questions if you have any. So question number 1 here, angle A and C are supplementary. Remember, supplementary means they're 180 degrees. Find the measure of angle C. So these two have to add up to 180. That's what supplementary means. So 74 plus what is 180? So I take 180 minus 74, and I'm going to get 106 degrees for angle FCD. Question 2 says list two pairs. That means two sets of two that are complementary. Complementary, remember, means it adds up to 90 degrees. So I need to find sets of angles here that add up to 90. And I do have them listed here for us. You can see that these two probably add up to 90 and these two add up to 90. So now I have to properly name them. So how about DCM? So I'm going to angle DCM and angle, I want this one right here, the 63, so I gotta go DMC or CMD, doesn't matter the order. Let's go DMC. And it does say two pairs, so I need another set. So I'm gonna use these two angles, angle FMG or GMF, it doesn't matter. And angle, I want this 26 degrees, MGF or FGM. Again, the order doesn't matter as long as G is in the middle. So let's go FGM. Part B, name three angles that sum to 180. So again, that would be supplementary. They add up to 180. So I'm looking for three angles. A lot of different options here we could do. Let's just go up to the top triangle here, because I know these two add up to 90. Anybody know why D has to be 90? It was giving us a hint right up here at the square, so that means this is 90 degrees in all the corners. So three angles that add up to 180, I can just list all three of these. So angle DCM again, angle DMC, and now the 90-degree angle of CDM. And that is just one choice you could have for that problem. There are additional answers that would work. Question 3, complete the equation with the number that makes the expression on the right side equivalent or equal to the one on the left side. So let's just take a peek at what we have on the left side. I have a 5x plus 6x. So what is 5x plus 6x? And that would be 11x's, so I'm just combining like terms. And then I have a negative 2.5 and a negative 3. I'm going to combine those two negative numbers for a negative 5.5. So I got to get the right side to equal the left side. If you notice, I have a 2x here, but it has a parenthesis, so I need to put a number here that will distribute to both of these and give me this. So what times 2x would give me 11x? You might say 5. Well, 5 would give you 10x. 6 would give you 12x. So what's in between? The answer is going to be 5.5, 5.5. And again, you can check it. 5.5 times 2x is 11x. 5.5 times negative 1 is negative 5.5. So your answer is 5.5. All right, the final question, question 4, says match each table with a proportional relationship with the equation. Okay, so it does tell us they are all proportional. A couple different ways you could do this. You could divide y divided by x for all of them. See which one it matches. I could say 2 times what is 8. That would be the same thing. So let's just try our dividing, taking y divided by x. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And if you try all of them, it's going to be the same case. 12 divided by 3, 16 divided by 4. So that goes with number 3. How about the next one? 4.5 divided by 3, 9 divided by 6, 10.5 divided by 7, or 15 divided by 10. Let's just take 9 divided by 6. I'm just going to write it as a fraction. 9 divided by 6, I could reduce, divide by 3. And I get 3 over 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5 or 1.5. So that is going to match up with that one. And I could have just divided 9 divided by 6 and gotten 1.5 as well. Either way, doesn't matter. And that means the last one, 5 over 2, or 2.5 divided by 2, 5 divided by 4, and so on, is going to give you number 2, y equals 1.25x. So that is our homework problems from lesson 2. Again, make sure you have those in your notes for future reference. All right, have a great day, guys.